If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to TWT video update. Now today I am looking at Trust Wallet token, and we do have this stupid range that is stuck into, but I finally figured out that we do have a little bit of an issue here for Trust Wallet token. Okay, now there is this pattern known as a descending triangle, and by the way, let's go on to Google very quickly and let me show you the descending triangle. Many people know this is a very basic pattern, and you can already see that when you go in for the uptrend, you make something known as a descending triangle. Now this is what I'm looking forward to, and you can see that this is very similar to what the TWT is looking like right now. Everything is picture perfect. The only reason I'm showing you this one right now is to show you that what happens in the future when you make a descending triangle. Okay, so go down, A, B, C, D, E, pop to the downside and continue lower. So this is what you're looking for and what you have to pay attention to, because that in most cases, like 70-80% of the time, it's bearish. Okay, it's actually bearish. So came up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pop down and go down, and the next technical target is going to be from there to there, and you're looking for a drop from there to there, and that's actually going to be $1.38. Now I told you about 70-80% of the time this one being bearish, so that means we do have a small hope, right? Like 20% of the time it could be bullish. Yes, you're right. If you're thinking that, it's true, and that means that if you pop out of here, you go back up to 2.6. So it's a equal distance of a move to the upside or a move to the downside. So that means if you're going to actually pop from here and move up, it's going to be 37%. If you pop down, you're looking for that almost 26% dump to the downside. So which side do you go? Because let me show you, it depends on where you break out. This one broke to the downside, and in most cases I told you it breaks down. But let me show you one more thing. This one broke up. This one broke to the upside, so that actually can be something like this as well. So it depends on which side you break. So that means you have to wait at least until 4 December, today being the 28th of December. So that's where decision comes in, and you're going to finally find out if it's going to break out and backtest things. 37% move up, that's a setup. If it breaks to the downside, backtest and fails, hasta la vista, baby. 1.4. And that's pretty much it for this update on TWT. I do have 3 days left for the signals to close and the Discord to close as well. So if you're not a member, if you want to join this one, Discord is free, Signal is paid. It's up to you. You can always go up to the Signal, click on the announcement tab, click on this video right here and watch the video on how to join. And that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye. Love you.